So this is an unboxing of something that we've been waiting for about a month, and we have a couple of guests here that happen to show up with some wine. So it's a nice occasion. But this is an unboxing of something that we bought online, and we hope that it lives up to the wonderful videos that they had online.
It's a Kickstarter.
It's a Kickstarter, and
it was in a Kickstarter.
What it is a
hover camera.
A hover camera.
Oh, very cool.
And so what we have here in this box is the camera. We have a battery charging hub, and we have 2 batteries. Now I'm going to assume that we have to charge things up before we can do anything.
Always.
So that's pretty much as far as we're going to go with the unboxing part of this. And the next thing we'll do is
we'll take it out of here.
We'll take things out of the box. Oh, that's a cute little.
Looks like a charger.
Cute little charger. Everything's beautifully packaged, and obviously very, very well put together.
Go for the hover camera.
Go for the hover camera.
So do you have particular plans to make movies with the hover camera?
No particular plans, but we watched the videos of the hover camera, and it just is an amazing high-tech device that will do things like follow you if you send it up in the air and it comes down. It gives you a bird's eye view of what, and comes back and lands in your hand, and all kinds of clever things like that.
Wow.
And so this is the first.
It works on visual cues. It doesn't rely on GPS.
This is the first we've seen of it, and I have
in real life.
I have no idea whether it's going to live up to the videos that showed they showed
the suspense
online. But it's obviously well packaged with a lot of very interesting information that's going to take me some time to read and go over. And here is the device itself. Yes, well, we're going to have to take it out of the box. It's whoa, there you go.
Wow.
It's got enclosed blades, and
that's cool.
Like a drone.
It folds and can go in your pocket.
And there's the lens end of it. And you start it off, I think, by sitting it in your hand, and then it flies away. And in theory, it comes back to your hand. So that's how it comes packaged. And it's a beautiful example of packaging. And what on earth is
I love that it can fold. That it folds.
Really nice, huh?
Okay.
You can open it up with one hand.
This is the bits and pieces. It's got a case to put it in, a little bag to put it in. So if you fold it up, you can stick it in the bag and stick the whole thing in your pocket. That's part of the theory. So that's that. And then we've got a cable. Now I assume that before we can do anything much, I'm going to have to get the batteries out.
Charge it, definitely.
And charge everything up. So that will be the next video. Will be us actually with charged batteries, seeing how it goes. But oh, there we go. This packaging is quite
Robust.
quite a puzzle, but fun. Come on.
Yeah, it's so easy to use these things these days for all kinds of
Oh, there we go.
innovative uses, right?
So there's one battery, and it looks like it's in a package, in a case. No, it's not. It just goes straight into the charger, like that.
Charger needs to come out of that box.
The charger needs to come out of the box. Everything is so well packaged and tight that it's a little hard to get things out. But I think
Well protected.
it's all well protected, obviously, and got to me with no damage at all. So there's one battery and the charger for it, and it feels like it's empty. That's odd.
Packing.
It's supposed to come with 2 batteries. Is there another battery that I'm missing?
There's one. Oh,
That's an empty box.
That slide in? But didn't that slide out of here? Does it have a battery in it?
May have a battery in it. I don't know. We'll see. Does it have a battery in it? Gotta see if we can figure out how it opens. So there's obviously
I
a
would think
camera
it's
lens.
something in here.
This is where
Camera
you're
lens
supposed to
is
read
point-
the instructions first.
I'll probably have to read something, yeah. But right now I'm just going on.
I think it would be the bottom. That's the top.
I think I'll have to read something.
Yeah, I
There's
would,
little tiny
I would
screws.
go carefully.
Yes.
Yeah, it has little tiny screws down there that look like we might have to take them out at some point. But I don't know if it feels like there's enough weight there that's probably got a battery in it. I think it's time to read the instructions. Oh, hang on. Oops.
Quick start guide.
Whoop, there it goes. See, light came on. So
And there's got batteries in it if it's got a light that's coming on. But don't be pushing any more buttons until we look at the instructions.
I think I'll have to read the instructions and figure out what happens next.
Quick start guide in 20 languages,
Oh wow, well read the one in English.
Should I? Is it cut?
which is now
No,
at the
no,
back.
just keep rolling. We don't have to cut. I can always shorten it. Where is the charger part of this? Looks like this.
I can't
Goes
read
into
that
this.
without my glasses.
Okay, there's
My
the
perpetual
one
state.
half of the charger is the. I guess we're supposed to already own a charger part.
Well, there's all kinds of things that USBs can plug into.
Yes. So this is a USB end that plugs in. So we will plug in this battery and get it charged up. And this part of it seems to be ready to go. And I'll read the instructions and we'll figure out what happens next. So this was part one of the unboxing video of the hover. And there you
The
go.
hover camera. What is that name? Hover
By
camera.
00 Robotics.
Okay. Anytime. You're on.
Okay, well, I'm on.
Mhm.
Okay, this is a test for the drone. I think I've got it in follow mode. We'll see.
Yep. Wait, this way. Walk through the shop.
Nope, I want to do one more. Okay, I've got the drone in follow mode, and hopefully it will follow me into the campsite. So here we go. Bob, Debbie. Bob, check it out. He's following me.
How did you make that work?
No. Well, the drone seems to be following you, okay?
How did it do that?
You can back out again.
How did it do that?
Well, that's nicely done. Let's take it over this way. And I think that's enough. I think this thing definitely is following me around. Now we got to see if it will land the way it's supposed to.
Wow.
Can't beat that.